If you are looking to prepare for UGC geography examination, what is really important and one thing that you should not do is not to overload yourself with information, and you should not spend time searching for content and then verifying whether it is an authentic content or not. So what happens really with the student is there is a vast ocean of knowledge specifically for geography. The reason simply being for most of the state PSCs and UPSC, geography is one of the core papers in general studies, and therefore you would see vast amount of information flowing through on the content. But what is really important is a focused strategy with a guided approach. So whenever you are focusing on the concept, it is important that you are not wasting time identifying the right resource, the right material, and then have a real precision onto what you are studying. So authentic resource would give you a quality content, a comprehensive content, and would help you in understanding that the content is really verifiable, it is reliable, it is verified, it is very efficient to actually approach and understand the concept. So what is really important when you are preparing for geography as one of the subjects is not to fall prey to the abundance of the resources and follow a systematic guided approach for best result. So here you have a comprehensive content preparation for geography optional as well as geography as one of the subjects for your NET examination. So wish you all the best. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.